Hi kids, I'm Fat Papa Fat Papa. Welcome back. Today I will talk about a new topic, the car protection for the parents that with kids. The first one I will talk about is the lighting. In that many years I doing the business for car parks, most the time that my customer come to me say they get in the car accident, no matter their fault or the other people's fault, over 80% involve lighting. It's like the headlight, sometimes not bright enough, they cannot see the other car, or sometimes the other car cannot see them. Besides lighting, of course, like nowadays, a lot customer I heard is like paying phone, doing the text during driving. That is not a good idea. If you have kid in your car, it's not worth it. If you don't, and you're playing that, you hit someone that do have the kid in the car, you will be regret. But this is like off topic, so I won't talk about that much. We all know we are adults. Okay, today I will talk about lighting. I already said why the lighting is so important, because it can increase your visibility, so you can view better, or the other people can see you better. At night time, you turn on the light, the brighter you have, the other car will see you better. But first of all, you need to have like two things involved. If you have a new car, I will recommend you get the option from the dealer to get the brighter light like the LED or the HID. The price is not cheap than you purchase like aftermarket. However, you have all the warranty, and then they are legal no matter what state you go. So if you change the aftermarket light bulb, like first of all, you need to make sure you don't void the warranty. Nowadays, by law, the dealer they cannot say because you change the light and then you void the all warranty. The problem is on the electronic. They might say that like because you touching that part of it. Be careful if you have a new car. Of course, like if your warranty already gone, your car you want to change a brighter light, then first of all check with your DMV, make sure the light you try to change is okay with your city or state. Some state they do not have any rule. Some state like you can have certain color of light. You cannot, like some people I see on the street changing blue color, pink color, whatever, or you try to do all of those, and make sure you check with your local DMV first, because you have kid in your car, you don't want to get pulled over, right? Today I will tell you about all the different on the light bulb that have in United States market. If your car, most common light bulb on the car will be halogen light bulb. You may be heard about it, maybe you search about it. So halogen light bulb is the basic light bulb. It's a kind of the light bulb you have at home. Like nowadays, like a lot is like better light bulb, LED light. But I give you an example. These two will be the halogen light bulb. You see they are the glass. What they mean is they put the halogen gas in there, and then to make the light bulb turn on bright. So the high quality one, like the one from Japan or German, the better halogen gas in the tube, it will be last longer. So if you buy those low price ones, so they are not bad. Like I carry few of them, they are good too. But you don't think about them will last like a few years or longer. Yeah, but they have like many different reasons, like how long you turn on every day, and then how often you turn it on, and then is your battery stable, is your car wire stable. They cause a lot of the thing will make the light bulb burn out fast. But I'm just saying that if you look at the light bulb, the one from Japan or the one from German, those like you asking why the price so more, like because they put more. But it doesn't mean they will last much longer, because they still will burn out all those halogen gas in there. Then after that, the people don't think the brightness on halogen is enough. And in the market, it come out another type of light bulb kit. It called HID. So this will be the one HID. They have the ballast in there. They have the whole kit, but I won't show you those. A lot of them have the brand, and I already told you I won't show brand or in my video for this type because I'm doing that because I don't want make my kit like you guys think I'm selling product. I'm not selling product. I'm just trying to give the idea. This will be the halogen light bulb. They have like the tube, but they still glasses one. Inside is also get all those burn out is gone. So, but what's the difference is they are at least 2 times brighter than the halogen light bulb. Later I will have a graphic so it can show you better. But then after that, someone who developed a new type of light bulb, everyone know LED. LED will be last longer and better. So nowadays a lot of the new car, the standard will be LED. Like even like for example Toyota Corolla, after you purchase certain model, LED is like standard. And then a lot of different kinds, it doesn't mean need to be like electric car. So this will be the LED type aftermarket one. So you can see there are no more like glasses. They also have a ballast for this kind of kit, so it's an aftermarket. It's not like the factory one. Okay, I talk about the type of the light bulb. So now how do you choose the light bulb that is good for you? First of all, if you have warranty, then you have no choice. This will be your only option. So if you have the halogen light bulb, you didn't get the option from the dealer, and then you get the halogen light bulb, all you can change is the halogen. But I can tell you, the more white color you try to get, you want to look cool, but like the more white color you get, the less visibility you will get. Think about the white color. Yeah, if nothing happened, they are bright. But if in the bad weather, like foggy time, raining, like those will reflect the white light, and then you will see less. So for my customer, when they come, if the only option they can is like put the halogen light bulb, I will tell them low beam you can put the white color you want, but on the fog light or high beam, try to put the yellow one, or using back the original one. In case you cannot really see the road, you have a backup. I keep talking about go for the dealer. So why? Because I'm selling like all those car parts, but why I will recommend people go to the dealer to get the original one. If you have that option, think about it. First of all, you get the car, you won't, even if you pay it off, I don't think you mind for a few $100 more with the warranty and then the quality. But if you are like doing the finance, how much it will be for each month? You're telling me if you upgrade one set of the light bulb in the car, yeah, they are a few $100 for that set of light bulb, but you divide by how many months, so you can see. To avoid all the problem, now I'm not talking to anyone that is without kit. You don't have kit, you have a bunch of time. Of course, like you can do it yourself, install, change, test it, no problem. I'm giving the tips to the parents with kids. For me, 24 hours seems not really enough. I will rather to save some time if money can do it. If I really want to upgrade my lighting, I will. If I have that option, I will do it. If not, okay, I will get the right and then good quality aftermarket light bulb after my warranty gone, and then I will put it in and then use it. So I hope you know what I mean. If I don't have warranty and then a problem and I want to do it by myself, how do I choose the right one for me myself? Like if I go online to purchase it. So here is I have the graphic. Later on I will try to cover my after I finish, like you will see like only this picture, and then for a little bit, and then you can see closer. So for this, forgive my graphic. This is the car. This is the halogen light, how far they will go and how wide they will go. So you like if only this you think okay, not bad. Like you can see. Let me show you. The yellow part is the HID. I hope you can see it well. So this is the halogen, and then this is the HID. About 2 to 3 times brighter, depend on the brand you get, and then what type. Because HID they have 3 levels. DC the standard one, AC better, and then compact kit they are really close to the factory one. So they have 3 different levels. So depend, and then how bright you get. So this is you can see the difference. Okay, then you see the LED. How is that different? So the orange part will be the LED. The yellow part still the HID. Now you see something is different. Why the LED is only a straight line? That is why I tell you how to choose the light bulb. LED, they are new technology, but all their light is going straight. Even though now have like the new kind of light bulb, they said they can go wider and wider, but they cannot do as wide or as good like the HID or a regular light bulb, because they still use a lot little light to make it in the light bulb. It's not like you have a glass tube wide open to go wide. So no matter what LED, they are still a straight light. HID is like more wide, but not far enough than the LED, because they are not strict power focus on. Okay, if today you live in a city, already have a lot of street light, I will recommend LED, because you don't need to really see far on the side. So you can just focus in the front. As long as you focus on the front, if like some car did not see the signal light, but they will see your light. You know what I mean? They don't see the up, they will see the. So less chance you might get hit on the side, or less get hit in the front or side, doesn't matter, that people will see you. If you nowadays you live in area that is less street light, or you live in at night, you need to drive at really late night, I will recommend HID. The reason is they are wide enough. Turkey coming out, a dog, a cat, or whatever little animal coming out on the street, because you're far wide enough, you will see it more clearly, because you don't have the straight light to help you like in the city. So it really depends on how you're driving, and then when you're driving. Then some people will ask me, hey, I live in a little bit far away, but I will go in the city. Can I have combined like something is like together? Yeah, why not? Your car have at least two light, or sometimes have 3 set light, like low beam, high beam, and then the fog light. Yeah. If the really old one, you might have like the dual beam, like 1 light bulb, then that one you may need to get the fog light. Otherwise, nowadays, like most of the car, they will have the low beam, high beam, and then or even you have the fog light. Then you just like put LED. You drive the city often, then LED in the low beam, and then you put the fog light and HID, and then lower color. Try not to get like really high, like 6K, 8K. If you don't have kids, I don't mind. Those is like for styling, performance, look good. But now I'm talking about you have a kid sitting with you, and then you're driving. Try probably maybe 5,000K or maximum 6,000K will be good enough. The K is mean the color. So the higher you will turn to blue and then pink color. So like 10,000K deep blue. And I don't think that will be good for parents. That is what it will be. Okay, so next Sunday I'll tell you something about window. So how to protect your window at rainy time. So do you have like sometimes you try to driving at rainy time, you cannot really see the road. Is there any tips to do it that? I will give you something about that on next Sunday. Also, I will tell you about the side window, a little bit tips on those. Every week, Wednesday and Sunday, I will upload a new video. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. I hope to see you next Sunday. Thank you.